Okay, so here we are again. I simply spliced the wires in using heat shrink butt connectors and a new pigtail on those wires. I didn't repair the O2 wire, which is that purple wire. Haven't repaired that yet. I just want to verify the repairs before I wrap that up in a wire loom and get it up out of the way so he's not apt to chew on those again. But there is plenty of wire. So let's see if she'll start. There you go, it's as simple as that. What we were looking for earlier was to see if the injectors were spraying. And they can eventually, with that pulse width modulation that they do, they can just continually to spray all the time. Right now it's pulsing so fast you can't really see the pulse. It's not like you would think a diesel injector would be, that it pulses, but remember we did the math on that to see how many times a second it would pulse at 3,000 RPM. And yeah, it's more than the human eye can understand. So I'm gonna get this buttoned up, tied up, and it'll be another success story. I hope you learned something from the video, and maybe it'll come in handy for you at one point in time. You gotta watch stuff like that too. That's gonna cause problems later. That was laid in like that. So as you're working on stuff, just pay attention to what's going on around you. Probably need to fix that up so it doesn't hit that at all. Anyway, stay safe and wash your hands often. Bye.